Assalamu alaikum viewers. So, today our topic is Asian cities with capitals and other some information like their currency, their calling code and their flag, etc. So, welcome in Knowledge for Test channel. Please subscribe my channel for more information about competitive exams and other general knowledge questions. So, आज हम शुरू करेंगे सबसे पहले मोस्टली फॉर हम कैपिटल तरीके से लेकर जाएंगे। सबसे पहले हम शुरू करते हैं अल्फ़ाबेटिकली। अफ़गानिस्तान अफ़गानिस्तान कैपिटल जो है विच इज़ काबुल। काबुल एंड नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स जो हैं अफ़गानिस्तान में विच इज़ 22। कॉलिंग कोड 93। करेंसी अफ़गान अफ़गानी एंड फ्लैग इज़ दिस वन। द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ अर्मीनिया। अर्मीनिया कैपिटल है येरेवान। Flag Yerevan. This is the Yerevan and the number of district in Armenia is 12 and calling code is 374 and currency is Armenian dirham. And the next one is flag is this. So the next one is Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is Asian city and Asian country and the capital of Azerbaijan is Baku and their number of district is Baku is here and a picture of Baku their capital. The number of district of Azerbaijan is 59 and their calling code is 994 and currency is Azerbaijani manat. Flag is this one. Next one is Bahrain. Bahrain capital is Manama and calling code is 973 and currency is Bahraini dinar. BHDB इसको हम short form में बोलते हैं and the flag is this one and this one picture is the capital picture, Manama picture. The next one is Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka and number of district of Bangladesh is 64 total districts and their calling code is 880 and currency is Bangladeshi taka and flag is this one. The next one is Bhutan which is capitally B from B and capital is Timmu and number of district in Bhutan is 20 and calling code is 975 and currency is Bhutanese Gultram और दूसरी currency है Indian rupee. The flag is this one and the Thimphu picture is this one, their capital picture especially. Next one is Brunei. Brunei is the Asian country and their capital is Bandar Seri Begawan and the number of district is Brunei is 4 and their calling code is 673 and currency is Brunei dollar and the flag is this one and the Bandar Seri Begawan picture is this. And the next one is which is from C, Cambodian. Cambodian is a country of Asia which is capital is Phnom Penh and this one picture is Phnom Penh and the number of district is 165 and the calling code is 855 and currency is Cambodian Rial and the flag is this one and the next one is China. China Beijing capital is Beijing and number of administrative district बीजिंग के जो कैपिटल का है वो है 16। वैसे इसके बहुत सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं लेकिन बीजिंग में जो आते हैं विच इज 16 एंड द कॉलिंग कोड इज 86 एंड करेंसी इज चाइनीज युआन रिम्बिनी. Flag is this one and this one is the Beijing picture and the next one is last one Cyprus which is from C. Capital is Nicosia and the number of districts of Nicosia or of Cyprus is 6 and the calling code is 357 and the Nicosia is this like and currency is euro. Euro is the currency of Cyprus and the flag is this one. Thank you. The next one lecture is about to which is start from D and this is the part 1. Stay tuned with me for the next D capital, D alphabet and their capital, their countries, Asian countries, their currency and the number of district etc. Thank you. Please like my video if you like and subscribe my channel and also stay tuned with me. Turn on the notification icon button for the next part too. Thank you.